What's up, tubesters and two bets? Y'all see it, man. Today, we working on the 66 Impala. Mighty fine, I must say. Mighty fine, I must say. It's a, color is like a black cherry. It's like a black cherry. We done got it dynamated. I'll put a little dynamite on this thing here. And the sound that in this thing. We gotta cut these old brackets off here. It's no more. They had the seat sitting in the doggone dash. I guess for a midget. But hey, we're gonna cut those off because we're going with some modern seats anyway. What we finna do is build a headliner. One piece. No more bows. No more bows. We taking the 66 out of this thing. So I got my jit with me. And we about to get to work. We got the board. We finna cut it. Y'all know we putting that suede wolf up in there. He going with a British tan. This is carpet. We getting it laid out. Headliner. This big roll of material. So we finna go with a British tan inside this black cherry. Boy, it should be sweet. We're gonna also do a contrast stitching. A wine stitching. He on them Riddlers. But we got a surprise for all of that. I like how he got that new grill. He said, if you looking for a new grill for a 66, dig deep in your pocketbook. Because that's what it's going to take. Shaved door handles. I'm trying to see if he'll put the Ken Diggets in there. I think he too far in. Digital dash. But I'll be back in a minute. Lay around.